Zashiki warashi modern day. In a corner of the city, a small old private house remained. The surroundings were surrounded by high-rise buildings, and while people seemed to be busy, only the house was quiet as if time had stopped. There lived a small monster called Zashiki warashi in this house, but no one knew about her existence. The name of Zashiki warashi is Sakura. She has been protecting this house since the old days, but as the times progressed, it was forgotten from people's memories. Sakura wanted someone to know her existence again. One day, Yuto, a college student, moved into this house. He was interested in old things, especially historical buildings. When he started living in the house, Sakura began to appear around him. She is a small being, and she usually hides herself, but sometimes she showed him her existence by falling books from the bookshelf and the wind blowing from the window. At first, Yuto thought it was just her imagination, but gradually she started to interact with Sakura. She taught him old games and local legends, and sometimes spent fun days making sweets together. Friends who heard the rumor of Sakura also began to visit old private houses, and the lively atmosphere returned. Thanks to her presence, Yuto's life became brighter and her bond with her friends deepened. However, the urban development plan was raised, and this old private house was also in danger of being demolished. Yuto stood up to protect the house to help Sakura. In order to inherit their own history, we gathered people and planned an event to spread the story of Zashiki warashi. On the day of the event, local people gathered and enjoyed the story of Zashiki warashi and local culture, and her existence became known to many people again. With Yuto's passion and the power of Sakura, the people around them recognized the value of old private houses, and the demolition plan was cancelled. In this way, the modern Zashiki warashi made people know about its existence again, and the house was also protected. Sakura was able to forget her loneliness and live peacefully because she made a lot of friends. And she still brings happiness to the people who visit while protecting this house. This is the heartwarming story of an old yokai with a college student. Modern Zashiki warashi continues to live quietly while playing a bridge between the past and the future. The end.